I've set up a little transfusion of fuel from George. I've taken his fuel line out of the engine bay and up into Moby here, and we're going to see. That's because I haven't had time to drain Moby's fuel tank out. He's got a special tank built into the area behind the driver's seat inside the panelling there, because the floor is cut away where the tank normally would be. This will mean that we have definitely clean fuel going in. So I literally just took the pipe that feeds up from the tank at the back of George up along under the sill and up to here. I took that off and I've run it out the side and into Moby over there. There was a little bit of an exhaust pipe massacre here this morning. The last section of this exhaust, which actually comes out the side, it turns through 90 degrees, again to make space for that lowered floor for the wheelchair access in the back. So just to temporarily keep the sound down while we try it out now, I've got this little bit of Cinquecento's exhaust. Mind you, I think this might have been a Kadett one that was fitted to a Cinquecento at one point. I've just cut this roughly to size. I have a smaller pipe, I'm going to slot it in here. It's from a smaller section. And I'll just be able to tap that into place on the car, and it'll just keep the noise a little bit more reasonable while we try this out. As I said, this car was sold as a non-runner, so I don't even know if the engine turns. So I've got a spanner here and we'll put it onto the cam pulley and just see if it turns. It does, and there's even some compression there. That's a good sign. The oil looks absolutely perfect. And interestingly enough, the head bolts are modern, which gives an indication that either the cam was changed or the head gasket, or maybe we're very lucky and the engine's been reconditioned. Hard to know. That's the bypass. Going to borrow this battery I got from Mick's garage for Chewy, and that should give this car an injection of life. So let's see, is there signs of life? That looks good. So Ivalo, will you just sit in and get ready to turn the key? It's going to take a load of cranking because there's no fuel pressure yet. Okay, so hop in there and make yourself comfortable. Okay, Ivalo, go for it. Small bit of petrol coming through. There is a choke there as well. You can pull out the choke, I'd say.
Yeah.
So I'll show you, Is the oil pressure okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Fine. We have a running car! Woo-hoo! Thank you so much, Ivalo, for all your help. That's brilliant. Battery light went out okay, the alternator's good. Yeah. Woohoo! Very tiny little bit of movement. Watch out! I'll go forward a little bit.